Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss WhatsApp no longer works on this phone, which means if you have Android version 4.4 or iOS 10 or lower, so WhatsApp has stopped working on their devices. So if you are using one of those, what you have to do, you have to simply update your device the software, or what you have to do, you have to simply change the device. So what is basically all about that? So if you search for WhatsApp no longer available on this, so WhatsApp's dropped support for smartphone running on Android 4.4 and older, and iOS 10 and iOS 11 from October 24. So if you are having this kind of error, then what you can fix, the only fix is that what you have to do, you have to simply update your mobile software, or you have to simply change the device. If you cannot do this, what you have to do, you have to simply go for the older version of the WhatsApp, which can work for your device, but they will work for only a limited number of days, and after that WhatsApp will ask you to update your device. So basically, if you have lower version of software, then you will not be able to use WhatsApp on your device. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.